Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI, and this PowerStone gaming chair with footrest is not only functional, but comfortable. When you look at it, you wonder, is it a recliner or a gaming chair? Well, it makes you feel like you're in a recliner when you extend that footrest, but it has all the great features you need for an office or gaming chair. There are so many parts that are adjustable. You can make the back adjust and recline. You can extend the footrest. You can adjust the arms up and down. And I love that it has a really high back, so it gives you great support. It also rolls very easily on the floor, and the colors look so sleek. I love the contrast of the black and white. This PowerStone gaming chair with footrest makes long gaming or work sessions so comfortable. And that's my point of view.